Hey, Tuna here with another do-it-yourself video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the front bumper fascia guide on a 2012 to 2020 Chevrolet Sonic. Chances are, if you've already removed the front bumper fascia, you might have broken a tab or two on the guide. It happens, frequently. They aren't the strongest thing. First thing you'll need to do is remove the front bumper. A link should be available on screen for you to tap or click. I'll wait. The parts you'll need for this is a replacement guide and 2 rivets. The GM part numbers are in the description below. The tools you'll need are a pop rivet gun and a 9/32 socket, or wrench. Here's the guide up close, with all 3 tabs intact. And here's the rivet. The fascia guide is secured at the body panel seam, where the bumper meets the front quarter panel. Locate the 2 rivets on the guide. Drill out each until the head comes off using a drill bit. I found a 3/16 or 7/32 works well. Next, remove the screw with a 9/32 socket. Pull the entire guide away from the body to remove. There might be some resistance here because there's a push retainer built into the guide. You'll see more on that later. If the back of the rivets still remain in the panel, remove them by either punch tool, more drilling, or pull it out from the back. Just clear the old rivets from the holes. Take the new guide and look at the back. There is that push retainer I was talking about earlier. Place that and the alignment pin in the corresponding holes to set it in place. Press firmly at the retainer and you'll hear a loud pop when it engages. Reinstall that 9/32 head screw. Pro tip number 1. Reinstall this panel screw temporarily to line everything up for the rivets. Pro tip number 2. Turn the wheel inboard to give more clearance for the rivet gun. Load the first rivet into the gun. Then pull back some of the fender liner. Press the tool and rivet head firmly against the fascia guide. Work the rivet tool until the mandrel snaps off. Repeat this process for the second rivet. Don't forget to remove the panel screw if you used pro tip number 1. Now you can get back to reinstalling that front bumper. That's it. Thanks for watching.